Hello，大家好，我是 Rollingmandarin 的刘老师。We posted more than 20 different videos for Chinese pronunciation in May and received a lot of feedback. Some subscribers of our channel would like to know the meaning of those texts and to learn the sentence structures appeared in those texts. So we made some videos for that. I hope it will fulfill your expectation. Enjoy it.
我们来看第一篇文章。So let's look at the first text. 国际劳动节。To better understand the meaning of this text, you need to first get to know three key sentence structures. The first key sentence structure is 是 structure. 5月1日是国际劳动节。So something is something. Somebody is somebody. Very important about this 是 structure is something in front of this 是 equals to the something after this 是. For example, here, 5月1日 equals to 国际劳动节. They refer to the same day. A next sentence is 它是法定节假日。它 here refers to a non-human being. The so-called 国际劳动节 equals to 法定节假日 the legal holiday. The second sentence structure in this short text is 被 structure. Let's look at the last sentence. 连续3天或5天的假期被称作小长假。被 will normally be used in a passive structure. For example, 我吃饭 I actively eat the rice. And if I say 饭被我吃了 means the rice has been eaten by me. If I change this structure into an active one, I will also change the word 被称作 into 称为。In an active way, we normally will say 我们称3天或5天的假期为小长假。The third key structure is 让。让 means let in English. 让 somebody do something. 我让他帮我买菜。Or 让 something turn into a different state. For example, 让假期达到5天. So make the vacation to reach 5 days. 达到 is to reach, to get to. There are also 2 other keywords that we need to know. The first one is 并. 并 normally will connect 2 sentences. 并 means and moreover. For example, here, as you can see, 在中国，它是法定节假日，并允许周末调休。So not only is it just a legal holiday, moreover, it allows something else. The second one is 共。共 equals to 一共。共 means all together. So 共放假3天 means altogether there will be 3 days off. Altogether, 3 days off. Now let's look at the whole text. 国际劳动节，国际 is international. 劳动节 is Labor's Day. So 国际劳动节 means International Labor's Day. 5月1日是国际劳动节。This should be very easy to understand. So the 1st of May is International Labor's Day. 在中国，在 normally connect with a certain place or a certain time. So here 在中国 means in China. 它是法定节假日。它 here refers to 国际劳动节。So here the International Labour's Day 是 is 法定 legal 节假日 holiday. 节假日 actually refers to 节日 and 假日。节日 is festivals. 假日 refers to holiday or non-working day. 并允许周末调休。并 we have already mentioned that 并 means and moreover so connected to different sentences, so we can understand here as and. So it is a legal holiday and. 允许 means allow what? 周末调休周末 is the weekend. 调休 means to change one's shift to get to leave later. 调 is to adjust. 休 is the rest, so to adjust the rest time. 共放假3天 all together 放假 take the vacation for how long? 3 days. 有些单位有些 some. 单位 is the places you are working for. 会调整工作时间。调整 here is adjust 工作时间 the working time. 让假期达到5天 to make the vacation or the holiday to a 5-day long holiday. 在中国 so again in China 连续 means continuously continue 连续3天或5天或 means or, so continuously 3 days or 5 days. 的假期 with this 的 means 连续3天或5天 becomes a modifier to modify what? To modify this 假期 this vacation. So the vacation which lasts 3 days long or 5 days long 被称作 will be called as 小长假 the small long vacation. 怎么样，学会了吗？点赞，关注 Rolling Your Mandarin。